Hello everyone, my name is Zona, and today we're going to talk about serving size. Serving size is the amount of food or drink generally consumed, and the serving size of each food group is different. If we want to keep track of the food we eat, we need to understand what a serving size looks like. The current nutrition guide published by the USDA is my play. It emphasizes on 50% of the daily food intake from fruits and vegetables, 25% from grains, and 25% from protein. Serving size is useful for achieving this balanced plate as well as for caloric control. Many of us are underestimating the serving size we're consuming each day. So what does one serving of food look like? In the following slides, we will discuss the serving size of each food group separately. For the processed food, it is important to look at the nutrition label because oftentimes a package contains multiple servings and the calories on the nutrition label is only for one serving instead of for the whole package. One serving of animal protein is 3 ounces of meat or fish, which is about the size of our palm. One large-sized egg is also considered as one serving. Plant protein are good source of vitamin, mineral, and fiber. One serving of plant protein is half a cup, or the size of a light bulb of beans, legumes, or grains. 1 ounce of dry nuts or seeds that can just fit in your hand. 2 tablespoons of peanut butter is about the size of a ping pong ball. 4 ounces of tofu is about the size of a computer mouse. Yogurt is a dairy product that is high in protein, and 1 serving of yogurt is 1 cup and is about the size of a baseball. Grains are carbohydrates containing food that have energy, fat, mineral, vitamin, and fiber. 1 serving of carbohydrates is about 15 grams, which equates to 1 slice of bread, a 3-inch bagel, a 6-inch tortilla or a pancake, 1 piece of cornbread, 1 cup of dry cereal, half a cup of cooked pasta, oatmeal, or rice. If consuming cooked grains, the amount of a whole baseball size, that would make 2 servings. Fruits and vegetables are good source of vitamins, mineral, and fiber, but low in calories. 1 serving of leafy vegetable is 1 cup of raw or half a cup of cooked vegetables. For other vegetables, the serving size is about half a cup of fresh, frozen, canned, or cooked vegetables. 1 serving of starchy vegetable is a medium-sized one. Half a cup of fresh, frozen, or canned fruit is 1 serving. If consuming whole fruits, a serving is about half of a large whole fruit, 1 piece of a medium fruit, or half a cup of small fruits. A serving of 100% fruit juice is 4 ounces. However, juice isn't the best way to get a serving of fruit due to the lack of fiber. Choosing a smoothie over a juice can provide extra fiber. Be mindful to choose 100% juice instead of the sweetened juice in juice drinks. For dairy and non-dairy products, a serving is 8 ounces of milk, yogurt, or soy milk, or 1.5 ounces of cheese that equates to 3 dices in size, or a half a cup of ice cream, which equates to the size of a light bulb. However, ice cream tends to be high in added sugar, so take that into consideration as well. Knowing the serving size allows us to better determine the macro and micronutrients we consume. Keep these in mind during meal prep or dining out can help us balancing the food group we eat throughout the day. Eating more than a serving of food is not necessarily bad, and the more the fruits and vegetables we eat, the better. Serving size will become a thing to consider if you're controlling energy intake for weight loss or weight maintenance purposes. Or it may be important to you if you are aiming to eat certain servings of fruits and vegetables daily. For more information, please visit wellbeing.ucdavis.edu. Thank you for watching.